you? Good job, boys. Wat is het er zo? Je hebt het
Die theebolts worden we niet. Aqui, eu vou te passar ali. Eu quero virar aqui, sabe?
Vê, tô falando que você pode ser. É, viver. Tá, ué.
That's Rafa.
Oh, Rafa. Vai, tá, ué. Good job, bro. I saw you running. Yeah, man. At first I thought you were done, but then I was like, oh, no, that's not done. This guy too. Damn, bro. Momo! Momo! Come here! Momo! Senta! Momo! Senta, man! Come over here, check it out. Okay, what's up, y'all? Say, let's go testify! Throw it that way. Let's see how far you can throw it. Go. Jayden. Drop the 5.
5. I'm running for you today, Mr. We 5 exercise. My dad. My stepdad and dad, I'm running for you guys today. one of his brothers. Chuukese's brothers. Chuukese's brothers. And he got up there with them.
Mama, Barak. Mama, Barak. Barak, 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 Barak. Okay, never mind. Okay, you gonna race? Hey, bro. Good shit. Good job, bro. You just tripped, bro.
I
But you can't, huh?
shoot me.
Oh, for real?
Running into that guy was like this and go boom. Fell my head hit the corner over there.
Oh, damn. It's okay, you caught up though.
Yeah, because I was like, holy shit, I'm in third. Look back, I was like, hell no, I'm not getting fourth place, but I need to at least get placed.
Oh, yeah. Ngero. Give a sip. Took first?
Yes, it's blue. Because I'm not trying to tell them because that's like.
You guys think it's gonna win the relay?
Nice.
That's the five.
That's the 5 foot chuck, come on now.
Oh, yeah.
So you two.
What up, make two?
That guy who won the first.
He's who won and purple.
Oh, same good. Yeah, so I was basically right. I thought he was just one, but he's both. Because I can see the resemblance of him, like, one. And a little bit of Benji.
Yeah.
So, that's why I asked him, what is it? Benji or one?
Both. Wanna go home? Oh yeah. How about that guy? Him.
I run this world. Who does? I run the world.
Hey! Come here! Hey, tell him to dance. That little one.
One more. Easy ball. Butter.
Silent. Away from the water, please.
You gonna run for this one too? The next one? Boys?
Really?
Yeah, good luck, bro.
Because I'm running everything today.
Hell yeah.
That's why my legs gave out.
Yeah?
My legs gave. You saw. If you replay it, did you take a video of the whole thing? If you took a video of the whole thing and you look at me, it looks like I'm about to fall right there. Because I was like, when I ran, I was like this, and I got myself back up. And then I got past that guy. Yeah, but these guys over here are fast.
No lies, bro.
Okay, we're still in the lead with points.
We're at like 70 something right now, and they're still like, well, we don't know because right now the scores might change. But
Right.
we might still be in the lead.
Right.
How did you fall?